Hello, welcome back to another devlog for Scorp, my combat-focused metroidvania. Recently, I've been working on overhauling the movement system to make it feel more responsive and to give the player more control. So here's what I've done. To start, we need to understand what velocity is. Basically, velocity is just the speed an object's travelling as well as the direction it's travelling in. And we call these values, which have both the size and direction, vector quantities. With my new approach, I'm able to easily add acceleration and deceleration to make it feel slightly smoother while still being in control. I simply work out the target velocity on that frame based on the acceleration time and work out how much force is then needed to get to that velocity. So with this, horizontal movement feels amazing. The next thing I worked on was jump buffering. Basically, this gives the jump a variable and controllable height, as it means that if the player holds the jump button down for longer, they jump higher. I did this by making the player jump as soon as they hit the jump button, and then I added downwards force on them as soon as they let go, diminishing their jump. And then finally, I added higher falling gravity by basically changing the gravity scale to higher value. If the player's y velocity is less than 0, as this means they're falling. This makes the jump feel a lot more bouncy, as there's less gravity force while going upwards, but more when coming down. And that's it. Last time I told you the next devlog would be about improved graphics, and that is still on the way. I just added this cheeky video in between. So that'll be next time, and I hope to see you then.